it's too late for us now. Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before we get in today's video, I just wanted to take a minute and introduce my friend Jamie. She is a fellow YouTuber and also posts cleaning and organizing videos. She lives with her fiance in Virginia Beach, and she is a mama to 4 beagles that she is completely obsessed with. She is super passionate about helping animals. She loves cleaning and organizing and also doing DIY projects around her house. So I will have her channel linked down below, so go check her out. Make sure and tell her that I sent you. And if you are coming over from Jamie's channel, welcome. I am so glad you're here. In today's video, I am starting out in my kitchen, just getting a few things picked up and some dishes put in the dishwasher. I remember I needed to clean out my microwave because that hadn't been done in a few weeks, and I also wanted to get my kitchen floors vacuumed and mopped. We've been having more neighborhood kids over lately, and since the weather has been so nice, the kids will run in and out a lot. We have a sandbox right outside our sliding glass door, so sometimes they track sand in or grass in, and that is one of my biggest pet peeves, is filling crumbs or sand or any kind of dirt on the bottom of my feet. So that is why majority of the time I'm wearing house shoes. So I just wanted to get all of that cleaned up. So I'm not sure if you saw my post on Instagram, but my husband just bought me a new camera to use for filming, and I was super excited. But I have been having some difficulty figuring out how to get the lighting perfect. So if you notice the quality or the lighting is a little off in today's video, you guys will just have to bear with me for a while until I get this camera completely figured out. I have watched tons of tutorials, but it is all still so new to me, and I'm just still trying to get everything figured out.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish way to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Had a vision, we held on to so tight. To me it was clear, but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide. We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide. Hey. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. The dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home.
Paisley's room needed a quick tidy up. Her toys were strung everywhere, so I just wanted to get it cleaned up and vacuumed.
Give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, 'cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop. I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
Moving on to the bathroom, I wanted to get the mirror wiped down along with the sink and the toilet. I feel like now that everyone is home so much more, with Landon out of school and me working from home, a lot of the areas in the house just get dirty so much quicker, and I feel like there is always so much more to do.
And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. And I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. It's like to be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down, cause I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way.
The sink was pretty much already clean, but I wanted to use one of these garbage disposal cleaners. They have been very nice to have for when my garbage disposal starts smelling a little funky, and they are very quick and easy to use.
To think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out, even after all of these years.
So moving on to my bedroom upstairs, I wanted to get my bed made and just tidy up the room a little bit and get it vacuumed because it really needed it. And I also had a load of laundry to fold and put away.
You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under
like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button before you leave today. Also, don't forget to hit that bell button next to the subscribe button, and that way you never miss any of my videos. And again, I will have Jamie's channel in the description box below, so don't forget to go check out her channel as well, and I will see you in my next video.
You can take